In the realm of business management, software solutions play a pivotal role in streamlining operations and fostering growth. Two prominent categories often discussed are customer relationship management, CRM, and enterprise resource planning, ERP systems. While both aim to improve business efficiency, they focus on distinct areas. This often leads to the question, particularly for those navigating the software landscape: is Sage a CRM or an ERP? To answer this question effectively, it's crucial to first understand the fundamental differences between CRM and ERP systems. Think of it like managing a construction project. A CRM would be akin to the system you use to manage client interactions, from initial contact and lead nurturing to ongoing communication and support. It's all about building and maintaining strong customer relationships. An ERP, on the other hand, is like the overarching management system for the entire construction project, handling everything from material procurement and inventory to financial accounting and human resources. It integrates all the core business processes into a single, unified platform. Customer relationship management, CRM, focusing on the customer. At its heart, a CRM system is designed to manage and analyze customer interactions and data throughout the customer lifecycle. Its primary goal is to improve customer relationships, drive sales, enhance customer service, and ultimately increase customer retention. Key features of a CRM system typically include 1. Sahabatmuslim.id. Sahabatmuslim.id. Contact management. Centralizing and organizing customer data, including contact information, communication history, and interactions. Lead management. Tracking and nurturing potential customers, leads, through the sales pipeline. Sales automation. Automating repetitive sales tasks such as follow-ups, scheduling, and quote generation. Marketing automation. Managing marketing campaigns, tracking their effectiveness, and segmenting customer lists. Customer service. Providing tools for managing customer inquiries, resolving issues, and tracking support interactions. Reporting and analytics. Generating insights into sales performance, customer behavior, and marketing effectiveness. In essence, a CRM empowers businesses to gain a 360-degree view of their customers, enabling them to personalize interactions, anticipate needs, and build lasting loyalty. Enterprise resource planning, ERP, integrating business processes. An ERP system takes a broader approach, integrating all the core business processes of an organization into a single, unified system. Its aim is to improve efficiency, reduce costs, enhance collaboration, and provide a holistic view of the business operations. Key modules commonly found in an ERP system include financial management, handling accounting, budgeting, invoicing, and financial reporting. Supply chain management, managing inventory, procurement, logistics, and supplier relationships. Manufacturing, planning and controlling production processes, managing bills of materials, and tracking work orders. Human resources, managing employee data, payroll, benefits, and talent acquisition. Sales and marketing often includes CRM functionalities, but with a broader focus on the overall sales process within the enterprise. Project management, planning, executing and tracking projects, managing resources, and controlling costs. Think of an ERP as the central nervous system of a business, connecting all the different departments and functions, allowing for seamless data flow and informed decision-making. Sage, a diverse portfolio. Now let's turn our attention to Sage. It's important to understand that Sage is not a single monolithic software product. Instead, it's a company that offers a diverse portfolio of business management software solutions targeted at different business sizes and industries. This is where the answer to our question becomes nuanced. Sage offers both CRM and ERP solutions within its suite of products. Therefore, it's inaccurate to categorize Sage as strictly one or the other. Sage CRM. Sage does offer dedicated CRM products designed to help businesses manage their customer relationships effectively. These solutions typically include the core CRM functionalities we discussed earlier, such as contact management, sales automation, marketing automation, and customer service tools. Sage CRM focuses specifically on empowering sales, marketing, and customer service teams to work collaboratively and build stronger customer connections.